Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to align text and wrap text in Google Sheets step by step. First, let's set up text wrapping. Click on the cell or cells where you want to enable wrapping. You can click a single cell, drag to select multiple cells, or click a column letter to select the entire column. You'll see the selected cells highlighted with a blue border. Now look at the toolbar at the top of your screen. Find the text wrapping icon. It looks like a horizontal line with a curved arrow pointing down toward a vertical bar. Click that icon. If you don't see it, it might be hidden under the three-dot More button on the right side of the toolbar. A drop-down menu appears with three options. Click on Wrap, that's the middle option. The column width stays the same, and the row automatically expands to show all your text. The cell will grow vertically to fit everything in. Next, let's align text horizontally. Select the cells you want to align. Same selection method as before. Once they're highlighted with the blue border, look for the horizontal align icon in the toolbar. It shows lines aligned to one side. Click it, and a drop-down appears with your alignment options. Choose left, center, or right depending on how you want the text positioned. The text in your selected cells immediately shifts to match your choice. Now for vertical alignment. Select the cells again. This time, click the vertical align icon in the toolbar. It's near the horizontal align icon. A drop-down appears showing vertical alignment patterns. Select top, middle, or bottom. The text in your cells shifts vertically to the position you picked. Top moves text to the top of each cell, middle centers it vertically, and bottom pushes it to the bottom. After you enable text wrap, you might want to adjust your column widths. To control how the text breaks across lines, just drag the column border to resize. Formatting saves automatically in Google Sheets. For horizontal alignment, you can also use keyboard shortcuts. Ctrl-Shift+L for left, Ctrl-Shift+Ease for center, and Ctrl-Shift+R for right. A common professional setup for text-heavy sheets is top vertical alignment, left horizontal alignment, and text wrap enabled together. Thanks for watching.